Okay, so the idiom take liberties with means to use or abuse something. And in a sentence, we can say, for example, like I have to say, my son uses or abuses my phone so much. So I will say that my son Ibrahim takes liberties with my phone. Under one's own steam means to do something by one's own efforts. For example, if I have to use this idiom in a sentence, I will say, he was able to go to the library under his own steam, although he was very sick. Yeah, besides, he was very sick. Our third idiom is to have something up one's sleeve. This means to have something kept secretly for the right time to come. For example, if I have to say that I have hidden a truth, or I have hidden announcing my result from my family, so I will say that I have kept something in my up my sleeve, something up in my sleeve. Yeah, I have kept my result up my sleeve. Okay, so to have sticky finger means to have a habit of stealing things. यानी जैसे किसी इंसान के स्टिकी फिंगर्स हैं, उन पे ग्लू लगी है, कुछ भी लगा हुआ है ऐसा स्टिकी में स्टिकी, तो वो कहीं भी हाथ रखता है तो आसपास की चीज़ें उसके हाथ से चिपक जाती हैं. सो दैट्स एन इनहेरेंट हैबिट टू स्टील थिंग्स. इसको कहेंगे हैव स्टिकी फिंगर्स. So we will use it in a sentence as he was fired from the job because he has sticky fingers. यानी उसको जॉब से निकाल दिया गया बिकॉज उसको हैबिट थी चीज़ें चुराने की. दैट्स वाई. ओके जी, यहाँ पे हम बंद करते हैं और नेक्स्ट 3-4 इडियम्स हम नेक्स्ट डे करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफिज़.